Hello friends, you are welcome to my YouTube channel Computer Errors and Actions. In this video you will come to know how can I assemble an i5 14th generation CPU. Just watch the video stepwise and assemble an appropriate CPU for you. This is an Intel Core i5 14th Gen processor made in Vietnam. LGA 1700 and 20 MB L2 cache in processor. Just unboxing the processor. It has a dedicated fan. You see it is with heatsink paste also. It is the original Intel fan, and this is the processor you see. Now it is the new gen processor. The supporting motherboard for that processor is B760M DS3H. I have chosen. It supports DDR5 RAM, and this board also supports Intel 13 and 12 generation processor. It has 2.5 giga LAN and 3.2 USB 1 is C type. And motherboard supports here. You see just unboxing it. This is the two SATA cables, and this is the motherboard removing from packet. It has two dedicated PCIe means NVMe slot. This is the processor socket, and there is 4 dedicated DIMM slots. Supports up to each slot 64 GB and FSB of 7600 FSB. This is the CPU socket. Just I am installing my new CPU. It is fitted correctly, and I have locked the CPU. Then I installed the CPU fan. Just push these 4 buttons and connect the fan socket to the CPU fan of the motherboard. Just I am pushing the lock of the CPU fan. This is the NVMe SSD of WD Western Digital 250 GB. I have fitted the NVMe to the dedicated slot PCIe 1, which is a heat temperature solutions. Then I logged it is well fitted. I have purchased a Corsair DDR5 16 GB RAM. This is the RAM. It has also heatsink for better performance. After assembling this PC, I am just fitted with my cabinet and loaded. Thank you guys as you are watching my YouTube video.